Hey everyone, we're down here at the Port of Brisbane boat ramp today. We're going to have an epic action-packed day on the water. We're going to cruise from here all the way over to Tangalooma Wrecks, but first we're going to do some fishing in the Port of Brisbane. So we've got both the boat and the jet fish with us today. We've got the boat set up with all the dive and snorkel gear for Tangalooma Wrecks and some spare rods, and then we've got the jet fish set up and ready to go to catch some fish in the port. So let's head out there and see what we can find. Nice on the first cast. Great little snapper, just a tiny little guy. Let's hope we can find his brother in there. Alright, another awesome thing about coming across Moreton Bay is you really don't know what you're going to see. And we've just been motoring across here and we've come across a mother and calf. So just remember to keep the distance from them. So if you get too close, just pop it in neutral, give them plenty of space. But these guys are amazing, super chilled. This is what going out on the water is all about. So these guys are two humpback whales. Definitely mum and calf, that's for sure. And you do see whales in the bay, but like they're not super common in the bay. So it's pretty amazing to see actually, especially coming so close to the boat like this. So we've had an amazing trip across the bay this morning. We've pulled up here at Tangalooma Wrecks. The bite's been a bit slow, so we're going to go and check out what's underwater and make sure there's some actual fish there. So one thing about the wrecks, they've been here for a long time. They've created an amazing ecosystem full of coral and fish life. Actually used to be an old whaling station here. So these wrecks have created a beautiful place for families to come and enjoy, and it's something that we really enjoy as well. It's a really underrated scuba dive. So it's quite shallow in parts, but it is quite deep in others, and there's plenty to see. All right, so we're gonna go jump in the water now. This is my mate Brendan, he's my dive buddy for today. We're gonna go and see what's underwater. Hopefully we can see some amazing things. Every time we've come here, it's been spectacular. So let's go, let's jump in and see what's in there. What an amazing day on the water. We've come over here in glass out conditions. The forecast was better than expected. We've managed to bring the boat and the jet fish over here. And even though we haven't managed to do any fishing, it's still been great to have the added electronics and storage on board the jet fish offers. And another surprise, this is the first real run that I've had with the new F130 on the back, and it uses a third of the fuel of the old two-stroke, not to mention virtually silent running. So we're pretty stoked with the day. Can't wait to head back across the pond now. I really suggest that you give this a try. Tangalooma is a fantastic place to visit for your family and friends.